On Mamba Day, Vanessa Bryant honored Kobe Bryant with two special unveilings, the Kobe 3 Low Protro Halo, set for release, and a diamond-encrusted Kobe 3 Protro PE, crafted exclusively as a tribute. The sparkling design, featuring stones across the tongue, heel, toe box, and diamond-shaped DPU panels, draws inspiration from basketball nets while symbolizing Kobe's daughter Natalia, whose middle name Diamante means diamond in Italian and Spanish. Though this dazzling PE will not hit retail, its meaning runs deep, reflecting Kobe's legacy not only as an athlete but also as a father. Beyond performance footwear, the shoes embody storytelling, love, and family connection. Fans can look forward to the Kobe 3 Low Protro Halo arriving soon, a release that carries forward Kobe's spirit both on and off the court. Through this tribute, his memory continues to shine brightly for generations to come.